Hello, my name is Katty and today we are going to make a beautiful craft, an octopus. But first, subscribe and like the video. Are you ready? Let's go! We need blue paper, a paper towel roll, transparent tape, ruler, scissors, pencil, ice. Cut a part of a paper towel roll about 4 cm length. Place the paper towel roll at one end of the paper. Use a pencil to mark the distance from the end, and then rule a line to mark the margin. Mark 7 lines. Cut these lines. Rub the paper at the edge of the paper towel roll. Use tape to secure the paper. Wrap each leg around a pencil to curl the legs. Glue the eyes. And draw a happy face. What a wonderful octopus we made! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you, goodbye!